Alright, where we at, buddy? Alright, so we got it running, right?
Mm-hmm.
Should we have it running again so you can see that it runs? Or should we replace the fuel filter right away?
I think we should see how it runs.
We should show them how it runs first,
Yep.
you think? Alright, we'll do that. Alright, let's see if she starts back up after running her for a while. She doesn't like running. She's got old gas in her.
Yep. Yeah.
Kills out when she's not at full throttle.
Right.
So we're assuming it's a bad fuel problem, plus it's old gas.
Mhm.
So what we gotta do, we gotta get rid of the old gas and replace this old fuel filter with a new one. And hope that these lines don't break in the process, because this doesn't look pretty.
Alright.
Alright, so where's that piece? So what we do is what this comes in.
Mhm.
Clamp that down, watch how that clamps down. Get it right in here. See how you watch your video? There you go. That'll clamp down. So that'll allow us to go. Get close up in here. Maybe you can use this in. Clamp that down. Goes over. Cup. I'm gonna grab me my big butt.
Should I hold on to it?
If you want.
Okay.
Watch out for that throttle on it. Bitch, let go.
Come on. Let go.
I have to smack in my hand, just watch. Give it nice wiggles. Come on. Almost got it. Almost got it.
Got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. Take a bite. Take a bite.
We got suction in here. So we ran it.
Oh God.
There we go, catch that.
It's all over me now. Oh no.
It's not that bad, man. It's a little fuel. I want to go grab one of my napkins. Replace the old one with the new one.
Yeah.
But first, let's go next.
So we got to zoom on. Zoom on.
That one out there.
Make it's back up. Alright, he's dang it. Let's go listen for the number then. Let's go.
By the way, by twisting it, makes it easier.
Mm-hmm. That's kind of hard to see, everybody.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna let this drain for a minute.
Alrighty. I didn't even sure you guys did it. Look at it. Let me back out a bit. Oh, there it is.
There you go. There's all the old fuel filter. You can tell she's pretty dirty. To the front, it's all black. So I'm assuming that's why we weren't getting good fuel. Wasn't getting enough fuel in. Sometimes it's all it is. It's just literally a fuel filter.
Sure.
All right, now for the fun part.
The easy part, you mean? No, I guess I'm not, because you're going to have to tighten it a little hard.
Hopefully we don't have to go get new clamps. We might have to get new clamps, to be honest.
There. Got a bit more to do. And zoom out to a frame 3. Makes the thing a bit easier.
I'm gonna cut this. What?
Alright.
Grab my knife. I'll be right back when we know it. So I need a knife.
That guys. And being really.
Sorry, I only get so much of an angle, guys.
Let's give you guys a little better angle.
Trying to get a better angle.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a better angle. Get a better angle. Yep, that bit right there. And how about we do it?
Not suggesting you do that, guys.
Is it good in it?
Hopefully. Hopefully that's good. I don't think it is. I feel like I need to go in more, actually. I want it to go in more, actually. This just doesn't want to go in anymore. There you go.
That's all.
There we go. She went in a little bit better. Not all the way as much as I wanted her, but she's in a little bit better. She clamped down. Bam. Alright, now that that's on, let's go find our zip tie.
Yep.
Yeah, pause, hit the pause button.